Did you know that 20 to 30% of your car's audio gets lost within the door? Sound waves not only get lost throughout the cavity, but bounce off the door and hit the back of the speaker, distorting the sound quality. For superior speaker performance, SoundSkins Speaker Rings are the answer. Your kit includes acoustic foam strips that universally attach to the face of any speaker using 3M adhesive. To install, simply cut the foam strips to fit any speaker shape or size, creating the perfect seal against your car door panel, allowing sound to flow into the car cabin rather than being trapped inside the door cavity. You also receive acoustic foam sheets that mount behind the speaker, absorbing back waves and eliminating distortion, resulting in cleaner, crisper sound. SoundSkins Rings helps your audio system perform at its full potential, providing you with an easy, effective, and affordable solution for an exceptional listening experience. Get your set today.